Hello everyone, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE with the code X526B has a SIM card, and the X520 has no space for a SIM card, it only has Wi-Fi. You will find the SIM card tray eject tool in the tablet box. On the left side of the tablet is the SIM card tray. Insert the SIM card tray eject tool and push gently to lift the tray. When the SIM tray comes out, pull it gently so you don't damage it. Look on the SIM card tray where it says SIM and insert the card with the gold contacts facing up. On the side where it says microSD, insert the microSD card with the gold contacts facing up. Then insert the SIM tray back into the tablet slot. The SIM tray will only fit correctly in one direction. Ensure that the SIM card tray is closed tightly to prevent water and dust entering the device. Now power on the tablet and enter the SIM pin. Thanks for watching and goodbye.